She loved her master so. Her reputation less than pure, but only he could see. Her tears were for the day they'd lay him low. Then for his head she held a vessel filled with sweet perfume, an exorbitant price, but she breaks the box and its fragrance fills the room. What love, love that has no price, asking nothing in return, the kind you give and don't think twice. What love, never holding one thing back, such love that she would give the best she had. What love. From a precious little baby to a man of 33, down through the years he watched him grow. From a little town called Bethlehem on to Calvary, and up that lonely hill he watched him grow. What he felt inside his broken heart, God only knows. When the hammer struck, the vessel broke, then came that precious flow. What love, love that has no price, asking nothing